Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aisna News. In today's video, I will share with you latest news.
Happy birthday BTS Suga, 5 best takeaway from Mini Yoongi powerful Lily for Army. Happy birthday BTS Suga. On March 9, 2025, BTS Suga का Min Yoongi will celebrate his 32nd birthday and fans worldwide have already begun pouring in the heartfelt wishes and messages. A talented rapper, songwriter and record producer, Min Yoongi is renowned for his thought-provoking and emotionally charged lyrics. His captivating words have a profound impact on the audience and resonating deeply with listeners and leaving on the indelible mark on their heart. And Suga empowering lyrics sound like the Dolce Vita for away. And what do you think inspire fans to cultivate mindfulness and self-love to celebrate his special day? Let's learn some of the important life lessons from August's captivating lyrics. And Suga lyrics offer a candid glimpse into his life experiences, including hardship and struggle. Rather than simply advocating self-love, he shares his own vulnerability, depicting the pain of heartbreak and darkness. The song like The Last and the transform his struggle into a word of the comfort, prompting self-awareness and encouraging fans to prioritize self-care during the life of a member. And the movement Don't Give Up Dream. In So Far Away, BTS Suga shares his pursuit of dream while overcoming hopelessness and self-doubt. He encouraged perseverance and the singing tree, major trial and in full bloom. His pregnant lyrics and the reminder that having dreams, even if they seem attainable, is crucial. He emphasized that not having something to survive and the far is the greatest misery, making failure a worldwide risk. And endurance. In So Far Away, Min Yoongi conveys a powerful lesson to entrance with the expressing feeling the inadequacy and self-doubt. Despite this, he reminds himself that the desire to reach his goal is what drives him. Suga teaches us the perseverance is key and the journey itself holds significance. He encourages us to never stop even when we feel behind and to find meaning in the pursuit and seek help when needed. And the rapper promotes vulnerability while seeking help in time of need. In the Amygdala, he concludes with a poignant, "Please save me from here, hurry and get me out here," after sharing his traumatic experience. And this heartfelt cry underscores the importance of speaking up and asking for help, encouraging ARMY to prioritize their mental well-being. And happy birthday, Suga, happy birthday even in Japan. And have confidence and trust in yourself. Sugar rap lyric showcase is the unapologetic confidence as he proudly climbed carry for his success in the Dutch Vita. He badly and boldly declared, "I was born as a tiger and I am the king, I am the boss." Similarly, we own and he celebrated the accomplishment rapping, "I wrote this lyric myself, I am a rap black lady," embodying his self-assured spirit. Those this Min Yoongi emphasized the importance of being your own hero. He encouraged fans to find her strength in themselves.
Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.